This is Martin from seekedge, the channel for learning about investment and trading. This is a short video. Just wanted to connect with you to mention some things that we observed on the market. I hope you had a good trading day. So these are the 5 reasons because of which the market could have the reasons, and these might have been the reasons why, technical reasons that might have been why the market bounced today. Right, these were mentioned in our pre-market analysis yesterday. If you had watched that, right? If you had not watched that, the same link would be there in the description. You can watch it. So the one reason is the Fibonacci 23 support. Very close to that is where market bounced back. Let's see what we are talking about. This is the market Nifty 50. You can clearly see that, right? The market went down and then bounced back, right? So that's the Fibonacci 23 is what is marked here, right? I'll just mark it once more for you. You have the Fibonacci retracement, and if you can see that 23 is where it's coming and hitting. That's where the market, very close to that is where the market bounced back. Second is, we mentioned that there is a momentum bullish divergence in yesterday's video. You can there's momentum bullish divergence is where the the momentum goes down and the price goes up this way. So the markings would be somewhere here, right? So this point. So that was another reason. Second, the third one is a hammer. You can clearly see that yesterday there was a hammer. This hammer shows bullishness. In a downtrend, the hammer is likely to be bullish. So that's exactly what happened. Change in polarity. Change in polarity is when a previous resistance becomes a support. The market, if you look at this is the point 23 retracement. That's a zone where the market bounced up, and then the market fall down and then hit the same point the other day. On Friday, it hit the same point where it bounced from. So the previous resistance where it bounced from now acts as a support, and then there is a change in polarity which causes the bounce. That's exactly what happened. Fifth reason is, everyone thought that Friday there was big FI selling. Actually, FI bought 3,000 crore, right? So these are 5 reasons that the market could have bounced, right? So please subscribe to your channel, like it and share it. We need more subscribers, right? Please, it would help us a lot. Please share it and like it and leave us your feedback. If you're not watching pre-market, start watching from tomorrow. Happy learning, happy trading.